that this is related to the American movie. So there is a Star Trek, that is, if you're a Star Trek fan, so it's an American show basically, where they have the Borg drone, which they used to rescue some of the crew members from the USS Voyager, and like with the Captain Catherine Janeway. So it is like that they have taken it from the reference for the Star Trek just to add as a fun fact. There is nothing which is actually related to Kubernetes in that, or in the movie they have not taught about the Kubernetes or something. But yes, it is moreover related to the just that to make you relate that, okay, yeah, like you can understand, or if someone you want if you want to tell someone, so you can say that that there was a Borg kind of a drone, right, which basically was used in a Star Trek, and then from there the Google project came in, and from there they had that seven spokes in that logo and things, and using that they call it as a Star Trek. Now, with that also, if you see that K8s which we